Like hang zin dang kun awing. The talk with Sorinthan Haorei. Katar episode lintum psychorally welcome sadly. Aja itum na ring palak hai episode ka yang room lushidra. Aja itum we show hili. Kya shingila kaya kala tangku li tiam thang wai la kaya. Yar ko ga kai tum ni rang room idle ye. Inan tum li introduce samire kala aja we show hi mangat advice say. Aja we show hi we guess it. Queer Ramnganing Muivah. Migai kana Ram Muivah the lataye. The intending candidate of NPF, we intending candidate ne 44 Ukrul Assembly constituency for the upcoming Manipur State Legislative Assembly 2022. Queer Ramnganing Muivah. Nalik chunga nishe. Ari the talk with Sorinthan Haorei lina na razan milaga no visions later clay na sak ngai na kiwang politics li join sak hauji sak ngai da clay dola na od manga sa ba ki da clay sai ko rein na lirang stay vai ra khai wang chu ring phai ning shi aje anyway discussion hu manga aina mi chung gali take sing ko khui kala tam hui bai chung sang phar da chi shi chang e then are anyway show hi discussion ni manga chan wan no man khai sao se remake up the anyway real kigla topics ping ma ba rang la ka mi chung an na li ga dai hi Ramnganing Muivah, the IAS officer, the bureaucrat and kuchungana thaye nana Manipur li pam de or Northeast apam gate India apam teli or Jamutsa at lelka chili take yari ping na hi kipakla who is Ramnganing Muivah ji tio mai khala thengai jena no brief introduction na kshaga kamilo jo
ning shila khaire tao Sorinthan inali songai lage no we Sorinthan talk show hi the most popular channel in Tangkul ning silake ili sidil hok mi wang kala nana ari kan han question ji iwa mote sala gai sim koran kharani hambal sala gai sim koran jang isawi sawa dui khaba mi nei ile manui lak lak dui pang na in wasai ka 1970 li itingum thada khali yu meeting je hawi hun bungwi Sacred High School porting de wak tam jai ne jang Chadamli Kamatha education somehow you meeting jing je khai ne jeni chu chili MBC High School li 1976 li matriculate sai kala 1976 li Shillong li St. Edmunds College la tam hawe kala you post graduation na 1982 li ki ka Nehuli pass sa jene the same year ili Patkai Christian College li lecturer post offer sa gada easily waja sa sai manui lak waja sa khai ne at the age of 22
right
singum gada khadili waja sa khai ne jene jili waja sa de le ka UPSC exam thalaga IS mangai ne jen IS sa da singum thumra da phanga ka sungai chili ari retire sa leuda mirin hi tai de khale mirin hi yuli itumui Ukrul district wivang Manipur wivang thad offer sa ge chin yuli tai de khale mirin you service
right ning share no we brief introduction itumli hang ji themi khai wang arina hang gai da na 1985 li IAS UPSC exam clear salaga you became an IAS officer na 35 years ya really chunga order mutsmi khai hili no we take valley no experience personal experience li nan hak mi tui da sak mi ai ka no we ari tha da chung ka sai re ka tai mi tui ji ping nan tyo me ka share sa mi la
you reading pa me kap je posting wa ukruli in a dc ka sa jini in a dc sa hi 1990 November until April 1993 li ukrul pam sa ye ka ja home district dc ung sa hi wa for anybody here in Palagai posting ne
right
kala ila kajaram saugada iwi wat ka sali iwi passion je jang kala iwi sakangai ka chon ma khleji enthusiastic ka saje jang ninga samji le me khare chen ina khuli yaw thui khawa ukhur district li ini chungme de the khui kala jang kala ina khi kha ithome manui khamai ina school pingli wala ka lecture sa la thomli inspire sa motivate ka saji Yuring pa kan.
Okay, ni share. Are we 35 years of service na miere and then itum young graduate IAS officer which itum tong ka hawa otpama kane and then you became the secretary of Northeastern Council as well which is one of the biggest posts. Jena ya ka possibly na are singai laga retire da ga life is align ring phala ga na we shim kur ramnaw biling so laga ring phala na octiva ba e ka na politics li zang laga arwen dang da among sam la ya ri wang she ba sa ge da na le da kle no we take khoi no ningrin le da le re ji Q1 klag ji why did you decide to join politics ke ji tyo me ka share san jo
mashung la ge thala kai question ne ina ji politics manipur hangwo shim changi ji iwi personal benefit wang maning mani iwi pension samang dele private company lo ili offer post offer sai government of India na post retirement post kani offer sai ka ina ithumwe iwi ningli kak saga khrai ithumwe ukrul district ithum avaram la manipur hi transform sangai chen iwi ningli da the sense of mission ji rag ji dela with a sense of mission to transform ukrul and in particular and Manipur in general he iwi ningli kak saga khrai iwi thei khuli ba ukrul deserve better
right
ukrul hi ba Jerusalem Manipur de the first education in hill area was studied in ukrul hilapobe the first Christianity where she Manipuri in the soil of Manipur 이 우크룰 하보게 지다가 Jerusalem Manipur 우크룰 이tum 마타메 position we kick Manipur sarkarli we must take our rightful place kala singum makhi Manipur government ukrul districtly cabinet post aklaman milak mane itum self respect ichaji I resource anga exini we ought to have a rightful place in Manipur government to Manipur now surrender ukruli shemganga yi ci we kika ili ji motivation inspiration jarak jidel
okay sing share ja arwe na gangsli you have a sense of mission for ukrul ka arwe ukruli transform sangai gi na we ka cha li la hang ga le so what are the objectives no we mission ukrul li no we vision statement kada da sangai li khima mai ningrin le li ji hila tyo mai ka thengai na chila ka share samilo
I militra ha promise sangai mane kha it will be my endeavor in a trisar short term medium term long term remake up the Manipur government good governance I phirangai good governance corruption free transparency accountability meritocracy jang ihi phirangai kala government akhawi basic fundamental duty moral duty hiba to give security to life and property jang jaina number 2 li kakhaniali iba mi hi semngai mi ga thade semra human resource development jang human resource development ka thadara quality education ari ukrul district li khung hi 250 leidele Chili school kamtatra ham lemane perhaps ari Secretary High School my alma mater Little Angel and Patkar Christian Academy maybe civil school we can count in the finger just for the whole 250 villages jang China quality education phira si jaga khug jida ari RTE right to education act ari national education policy da ki ka aming jaire it should be implemented in letter and spirit
right
G number 2 number 3 li ki ka if shinao bingli the women power we must harness 50% tang ka hi shinao da jang number 4 li empowerment of youth 60 or 70% hi youth da atumne empower sa pongre lang mai da ari ki ka ithumwe youth ping hi eva entrepreneurship hi encourage sangai I want to unleash the natural entrepreneurial spirit of the youth why how basic infrastructure mere sarok tar khika power supply banking services ATM hikta leka entrepreneurship chungme de shokre de la jang I want to unleash khamong ji show me ngai hi we kharin ne now make up the ari eva ukrul down here India with tourist destination, tourist hub sangai. Wan shivara hi am thadale, temperature hi am thadale, kaya ka kamatha apam hi jang, basic infrastructure ji lehe ka iwa ukrul hi tourist destination sangai, iwa long term vision leye, Impal to Ukrul via Impal to Kohima via Ukruli 4-lane Sarok Sangai. Wherever feasible, even tunnel system later. For example, in Mahadep or here in Halang Junction, 2 tunnel system. From Impal to Chingchorai plain and Sangsung Baide. Generally, Lai, Teja Milip, tunnel ang Saigazang, up to Kohima, plain and Shangbai. 4-lane Sangai, the Gatsubzali 4-lane, Jili connects her. Number 2, Ukruli Sag makeup kaji, chot makeup kaji water supply hi. Drinking water supply makle hi. Iwe jai na ara mapum jing sui gong jili. Tam sa lagajang harwa khangai li pamain kap ka lagatir supply sangai. Ukrul town li ara atung shong up to kalhang kwire basungda mingai. Ating shong iram shokwao ramwo tushar shangshak hi endang ti mingai. Finally, Ukrul town he is a smart city sangai.
Okay.
Long-term vision.
Okay, great. Nana, are we short-term, long-term vision? Hang midagli it's very inspiring, very motivating as well. We could have this long time back as well. Possible side but still then, better late than never. Rather really, jikta ningrin lay hang state like chungaring pai. Ning share ojali. Are we nana hang dali itumwi apom hi. Basic infrastructure hi basic necessity chungka bata ri da thaidle are to Manipur state lik hyang jitran itume ko phungai na tampa khili in terms of infrastructural development hi disparity chungka khlei da thai yeah no we yangra no opinion li hi qwai na rala ka kala itumi ka da saka itumi rai cha da raisang haksang pairak lai ji na tiome ko share sa mi lo cho
he basically jang dialogue and leadership failure de
okay
itumli khibana ga yang shimaning mane we need to lobby, we need smartness. Hili tangkul kongche meiti tui maning mane. Indian government it is 10 lakh crore budget nda. Manipuri 20,000 crore, 10,000 crore, Ukruli 500 crore in the key kasag leda. Ka lobby daga saye, smartness daga saye. Aru itum na multilateral bank like ADB, World Bank, so in the loan khibaye, bilateral financial funding agency like JICA. Jena loan khui baye. Jili loan khui ga Manipur have a special category state ne. Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Economic Affairs na 90% loan liability asin na miyaure. Manipur government na loan miki ji only 10%. 10% jila 30 years repayment period. 30 years jingkum thumrali ma mirror ka another 10 years moratorium is given. 40 years li 10% migi the key sag later. In the Manipur we Works Department Principal Secretary Sadreka 2008 to 14. Thopal to Somkhulen 68 kilometer ji. Asian Development Bank na 203 crore mi de. Ukhuli mathame kamjong mathame kapsi sarok ji ne. Ji arwi khika 90% loan liability ji, economic affairs na repayment sa way, 10% na M donor. So Manipur government sang bang 100% grant da. In the same way, Bishnupur to Tubul, another 200 crore. Sit had the loan of Hibaya. Mean 90% grant maker opportunity ji. Talak haide. Sit had it to Makavad Sarog his sangais de la.
Okay.
This is one small example.
Right.
Example with your
so information media is very enriching. It knowledge lila and then it viewers being wangla enlightening the sang sa layer the shit sang ning she no opinion share sak mi wang. Are we then choose sak high party hi Naga People's Front NPF. Out of all the parties, no we vision later hi then realize sak why through NPF ki contest sa laga in hing ngai the later why NPF ji ti omeka itumi kang same.
No, NPF it has a glorious history.
Right.
Northeastly, the oldest regional party, number one. Number two, the founding member of NPF, Mishidi, 7 of them, They started their career in 1962-63 with NPF, and kachien dang the defection masamani. Some of them live and die by their ideals. For example, NPF have a retired IS officer A. Kebe Chusa, Anahopokte. The first graduate, the first IS, itum Nagawi. And Hapoke, he NPF and Hapok Chen Chie. Number 2, Tien Angami, the second chief minister of Nagaland. Ale NPF Hapoke, NPF and T. Third, Mr. Vizol, founding member. Ale NPF Hapoke and NPF and Chiawi. Kachien Dang the Ale former CM, former member of parliament. Number 4, Mr. Mero, Ale founding member ne NPF and Hapoke, NPF and T. He was former MB. Number 5, Vamuzo, former CM. He started his career with NPF and Kachien Dang the NPF and T. No question of defection. Number 6, I think, now our president, Dr. Shurhozele, he started his career with NPF. Arwen Dang the Congress li PJL, Mama Lak Mane. It's very something great. Manipuli jing tham le mane. Maybe Manipuli khani le later. Iwi Kongnai Mr. Parijat. Ala CBN Habok CBNT. Second, Dr. M. Nara, my friend, yung so now. Ala CBN Habok, he is still going strong. So at least Manipur khani le le. Zaina Arunachal le mane. Mekhele ali PP link to le saye, Hoping Stone link to Chiare. 2. Sikkim li Jamling. China Tripura li Niripan Chakrabarti, Manik Sharkar. Mizoram li Zoram Thanga. Khangate jiva defection jirang, Chungna hidden. Atome principle ideology. Jain eva NBF Songelage. Third, regional party we kick a Chifai Mane. Sikkim li 1975 li state sang Pawain Achira Shunda. Regional party na Mungching de. Tamil Nadu li AITMK, TMK. BJP Congress picture mara lag mane. Why not? Itum Nagaland Manipuli la.
Okay. In share wajana Nawi. I mean Nawi vision Nawi Ningchuk NPF Kiwang Chu South Lagji na share samere. I think in a disparity of development in hills and valleys li khang exactly are we. Jangadwa Indian Constitution na ituni Article 371C li ituni empower sa kai chungane. Chili powers and functions ko chungha made le hill areas committee de la form salaga itumi empower masa khoi ga thai ka or itumi powers and functions in mami ga singa administration aja hi itum talai chi jin itum haksang isang lag le re da shi chang and healing sun laga are hot line topic le dag le the hill areas committee are autonomous district council bill 2021 hi are Manipur Assembly table sami kawai the HSC members min a quick shock in the tambali later lay MLAs being CSOs being zang zang here masa ba amra ji chung khang rer da lay kai thu HSC members min here sa phang rer langer babam da lay CSOs min la zang zang ga tribals we and hiwi opinion no we opinion humor am li kada da lay ni la kada lay la ji la tiu me ka the ngai
okay matai la ga no hi question khani ne why kada the hill area li development lay thu jang. It's a very serious issue. It's a fact. Lion's share here, Tampagli Vawe. I have seen from ringside. With 35 years service, 21 years in Manipuri, Wasaye. I have seen it from inside. I had the ringside view. Lion's share of Tampagli Vawe. Itomoy Kapungi state martility memie. It's a fact. Partly itomoy leadership failure. Kala itumai minority hi jang. Throughout the history, this is the fate of minorities jang. China, Meite have a major community ne. We expect magnanimity from their side. Jang, katiao magnanimity ji we expect. China, itumai hilirali hiak yangkai deklehi hiwa musungkui plongre. It is in the interest of the whole state. Kapungli Maring Palag le resentment le college Pamane. Kapung Kavajili and me from he Mataila issue. Kakhani ali na hill area committee we si hangdale hill area committee we article 371C 1970 71 72 li constitutionally annexa kinda it's a constitutional
right.
It is not the advice, it is not the guidance, it is not the guideline. It is constitutional, mandatory. Singum nearly 50 years, partially implements alaga, fully implement magsahijang. Ito may hilia committee chairman of Ishwali lady. In it had the close observer salaga in the last 40 years katahijang. Dr. Professor M. Haorei. And chairman salaga and a hit try and a try side. Professor Roy Perman Committee, the form side. Professor M. Haorei, Professor late M. Kamume Kame, at member sari. Chili recommend the salad hang, even a team terang. 6th schedule, he recommends Sakaini, subject to some local boundary adjustment. Karwen Dang Deva recommend implement Sarangay. Ka tari RK Torrendra Singh CM Salaga 6th schedule recommend saye Rathapino na CM Salaga 6th schedule recommend saye ka pungli ka ajoin dang te implement samane
right
jena ituma 50 years ikisada why it is kept in cold storage ituma leadership failure men la hijang the ari at the fact end of the government dinner ratio na Itau le show Emily na sat the new Hill committee chairman and Kushok the Songai Lagi. Ka arriva hardly 4-5 months left, young. Katadara Shok Sani Mahangar money. Ka Eva Tampa will hear Shikai Malay money. There's a constitutional provision. Kishikai later, young. Manipur interest in the interest of the state, it should be implemented. You take with you.
Yes. In general, are we bill by क्या का इतुम को फुंगनाव बिंगवांग क्या का empower साक पाए beneficial साक पाए क्या का था द लेगले जिन्ना हुई opinion ला थे ngay कली का ही एक मोनाई का इतुम आपा मिले खंगे जे का था द राम रावली इसे क्यों का थे ngay
इव legal expert meaning मने का इव थे खुलीवा का फुंगलीवा meaningful autonomy जांग से खमी भारे Nagaland अचुम state लेदले
right
Arunachal अचुम state लेदले Mizoram Meghalaya even Gurkhas autonomous council ledele Tripura and the 6th schedule ledele why Muivah Manipur tribal now 6th schedule and mingai meda 6th schedule have it has outlived its utility its usefulness it has outlived its usefulness 1950 constitutional assembly subcommittee na is a piece only oversight he felt insulted June 1940-70, Shillong we Governor Sir Akapar Haitri na Nagaland li Naga semi-independent Mikhaide 9-point agreement. Chui Chili 6th schedule offer sajiva 1950 li reject saji 21st century li pokzativa. It's a disgrace.
Right.
You take Taga hiva Shumane. Kangate the full state was some Mungshapa ituma 6th schedule Musam Pangi he Kangjala Jang. Why? Muivah Hiva itumli Zakshilaka in a Jang Tata Yankei. Even take with in the interest of the Manipur state. Itum Divajang, meaningful autonomy me from re. Itum separate houses, but meaningful autonomy committee pare, which is provided in the constitution. Even he merely young shimmering money. We expect mature community to be a little more magnanimous.
Right.
Ninghalji expects I at
Yes. I'm sure the message is clear. It's some way. Don't bugly later clapping the la G and Aquila Gala itum tribals being the la Hikok Young Saga Hingo Kurno, Gigi Hang Sangai, which are we itum a public opinion later cleaner. Itum the atom disparity of development in the younger cover. Itum don't bugly 40 seats later out of the 60 seats for Manipur State Legislative Assembly. Let them go now, 20. Later clearly are we he can jitran are we delimitation. He live Junka, rather the lake, Karelago history, the younger, itumli, young Kai, to the Sampang Ram, Sampanga, later, the limitation, he really know member no, we
Yeah, there is a forum.
exactly. Like here you, but you have the expert. You are an expert. You have the information. Are we 2026 lila jirak vai we sem the lay jila lay the limitation ka throw he. Then how important is the delimitation? Kala itung public being he awareness in the darkar la sai itung kapung now being kai kan ba ka thagla electoral are 18 years above kai la register mak sala lay bang and then itung population lay shong li tang bag li chung ka register sa ga tung shong population chung ka khang sak thag chung ka lay ek ta knowledge itung public la darkar sai enlighten sang sangai then humor am li ojaw opinion ka thar lay li ka thar thei khui lay li chi teu me ka share sami lo
delimitation is critically vital. Important salag haine. Parliamentary form of government, democracy have a rule of the majority.
Right.
Sitaw ito mo'y legitimate rights imbuhi paimala based on the population, excluding Senapati. Because Senapati there was inflation of population. China based on the population, previous delimitation committee na kapungli khaniga kathumkala recommend sade. China chi are kundrakbam chi kushokawe, Bishnubula kushokawe. China chi khani chi ukhula khami. Are Sinagati constituency da. Okay. Are Kampopili Petian Manbi da khani recommend sarjinda. Khachi chi committee li Manipuri tampa will kapung member chang sare. Kha Manipur government Supreme Court case ai. China Supreme Court we lawyer Ram Chat Melani, the Maverick, and also the well-known eminent lawyer Ali Hayersai Anahame, Mr. Ukram Ibobi. You have no chance in Supreme Court. China President Valutan advice Sadi. That's what had delimitation right, civil war later, bloodshed later, the Jetaida states Hani Haidala. Then Ariva itum ukhul some magi price saude. Then Ariva new constitution delimitation committee constitution advisory Justice Ranjana Desaina chairperson. Chila Ari Kathada Shoksani Matemne. It is based on population. Census school ocha being the Manipur government a jolaga kicker census go winda chili kick and willy out the jang. China Mikamarao itum legitimate rights of Kamipare in the interest of the state. Itum Kapuna the Marine Park at Tampang the Kirin Parajang. The Malaysian rock upon Pamane. Itum Lashing rope lager Aka Aka Kavaji young rope from Tampa we mean a Chumeo with the Jang, to Mutioka, Menanimity crazy part of the evil here, state interest never should send.
Right. In share vital salak information and provide some delay. Are we Indian and Gazek high, which Indian electoral politics winning? Itum the Taizio Naga issue lang, Tehina delay, itum a talky lancer twin Muivah, Tanaga, Indo Naga Pistok, Arwe. Quiz at delay since 1997 ceasefire agreement signed saga till Archerashung more than 2 decades pistol quickaz at delay Archerashung the later clay color chatwagida clay and then by God's grace if you are given the chance na MLA sahay cover and then the cut had the role quingai or kala Archerashung the we know opinion cut had the lay league jila the omega tengai or jana heal kashir samilo
he was nearly honest and hang away in Tarlagan.
Right.
The issue is too sensitive, very delicate. It's an emotive issue. But it is in the interest of everybody. Peaceful political solution. I am all for it. I have no idea. I'm not privy to the discussion. Chile lang ti comment saramre ka peaceful solution quick rajiva phala kre singum hangshini itum pamra itum chodrai prolonged violence war itum mekamo hiva we want to get on with our normal lives. Right. We are tired of this uncertain future. Uncertain generation of facial virala. What is humanly possible? The rest, let us leave it to God. Okay. What is humanly possible? itum kui kai pha mai
Okay.
the rest let's just leave it to God without pang health si jo
Yes.
I chili lang te comment sangai mai
Ki kam thang ning share no we honest sala khai comment na khami na share opinion share sa chili lang da la malay na chi share sa chi ning shi arwe arwe is NPF we intending candidate ne tingkumo election we le in case arwe ticket officially wow shok khai ba malay rang ne ya ruina take ngai in case you're not given the NPF ticket alternative party na katay na sa ngai lega or as an independent contest sarag chi lega chikta we opinion li manai or ili NPF we ticket hima mi ka iwa contest sum sam chi opinion ka thal lai li lai chi la yaru na thengai la ngahan mi lo chi le nan hi ka share sam
no re makeup the I am hopeful.
Okay.
I am hopeful you shi sangai in a samhangre second question is hypothetical so right. No comment.
Okay. Ning share on the line short and crisp thada kamili itum na ringpai bai thada te hai na mom tu wal so that's more than good enough are we in exactly in a discuss ka this in your discussion ling han gi ji ba oja chili kup sangai re han gi ji tong na talang han ga mi share are we in a nali atam ti omai khami ngai if you have any message or appeal publicly matala in a specific salina no we constituency 44 Ukrul Assembly constituency voters being to meepingly in particular tangkus in general or manipuli le dak lepingly nana message pun khangai or appeal sa ngai le ka ba nali atamit le chu
ya nishla khaire legacy avaramui isawangra amai isa john igto izarangra Saikor Eva Ninga Sagakraye. I have a sense of mission. Itum ukrul hi, itum ram hi, transform sase. Natume cooperation, natume support dagasaye. Imang nam sabay mane, shepshit wili together. Kokasada, young kasada, itum lehi, transform sase. Sangna itum li chipadaire. Tangkului itum yurui ichat self-respect je restore sangaye aji ukrul hi silent cultural renaissance soktele ukruli la sagate drama sagate artists ka chung hleye ka athumji opportunity msam bangmane athumli opportunity ji chance mingaye itume ramhi murumda khokasada transform salaga ukrul the Jerusalem of Manipur jang hi it's a rightful place ji Manipur capitally Manipur shokali kakwi segji hi iwi vision ningshila khaire
ning share queer Ramnganing Muivah no kasaka tam ku chong milaga in han khangai bing jilan na talagai na mai sai nang han ka mi sar chung ga ring phai ning shi no we ot manga sai ko ra them no ji we sangai we run a somi da thangmet lam tai sangmir no pasala kham thamir no kalana na sawa ki sai ko rile ta chak tarai na sar no sa shok no ji lo we sangai le ithum yari ping la ka tom ko pais le ka tom la ka as upcoming election hi no best wishes mi da le ji hang la ka ning share ji hang we sangai li shi da le and as the talk with Sorinthan Haorei episode li rangrum hain tum sai ko rile la ning shi da le achu we show hi le kui Ramnganing Muivah na rangrum mi la ga awi thei khawa ana hangji thei ngai itum ni chung ga hangji thei re itum na khamata tam khui pai chung ga la jang da le itum thei sing gui se itum we day to day life le practically implement sak pai la jang da le kala upcoming election hi le itum na khamata in sa shok pai la chung ga jang da le itum hi ngana gu hui mang ni la o sa ga na sa shok se ji la appeal sangai kala itum apam hi adang discuss sa khai tha da ka sang kha chot ra khai ne na ina ga thei ne na ina experience sa khai ne itum to khamata khang je ji khirang ai khang je khui gra hi le itum na representatives being mangly depends ala kala masa pai mane chena na I hi nga chei la ga na ina khamtha o sakchi sa shok sei chi la hangai jingkum ina hangchon ngi ja ka jingkum phangai le ituna akshida mang exercise sa ge ji right to vote universal adult franchise exercise sa ki ji na iwi mushuni mior za hai lagla ituna mathamai tui ji candidate ji ka pangka sei ji appeal salu shit ngai de le intending candidates being na itumwe you wi wang itumwe society wi wang de chốt la cái na ning chuk khui phung laga ot sami lagra da athuna shock tak le hi ituna overburden masa se over expectation la masa la ka ituna supportive sala kai na cooperation mi laga ka tha da itum kho khayang ka sala ga itum euro itum society transform sa by the racing hak sang by ra ji le itum focus sala ga ko khayang ka sala tang khu yu sem ka sei ji itum cycle le appeal sang ai lu shit le acho episode li rangurum kha chung ganing she next episode le rangurum li share li shit log ji ntum li request alu shit le kalan tum cycle le mong phang share no